Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Tickets. Get your tickets. One way down. Don't mind the heat. All aboard.
Fog rolling off the Mississippi, thick as grave dirt mud. Moon's out in her face, she knows there's gonna be blood. The gas lamps on the corner flicker out and die as a murder of crows starts falling from the sky. The tracks are humming a melody, a low and wicked sound. Something ancient and haunted is rolling into town. Stashing platforms empty, but the shadows start to sway. Handsome devils in pinstripes walking down the grade, tipping their fedoras where the horns are tucked away. Beautiful silhouettes with fire in their eyes, in evening gowns of shadow, waiting for the prize, trading silver dollars for a heavy box of lies. The arch is looming over like a gateway made of steel, a broken halo rusting on the devil's Ferris wheel. But the tunnel opened up ahead, that's the only deal. Old smokestack skull is belching out the ash, coming for the sinners who are reckless with their cash. Can you hear the pistons pumping? It sounds like a dying heart. The firebox is hungry, tearing the night apart. The steam is smelling sulphurous, the heat begins to roll. No conductor with a pocket watch, no man with a human soul. Just a shadow in the engine cab, shoveling the coal, collecting every payment on the heavy midnight toll. Oh, catch the undead train rolling down the line. Leave the living world behind, leaves it on a dime, carrying the wicked down to the burning deep, bringing up the demons while the city's sound asleep. Wheels are grinding sparks that set the weeds aflame. Every single passenger has forgot their given name. One-way ticket, baby, on a rail of rusted bone. The undead train is moving, and you'll never ride alone.
Look in the windows as the passenger cars go by. See the faces laughing, see the faces cry. It's a transaction at the crossroads, a swap in the dead of night. A soul goes down to darkness, a beast comes up to bite.
They're stepping off the rear car, invisible and cold, to walk among the mortals and do as they are told. St. Louis streets are haunted, the pavement's cracking wide. The barrier is broken, there's no place left to hide. Green spirits floating high, tangled in the trees, begging for forgiveness on their spectral knees. The river turns to injure and the sky turns bruised black. There ain't no return ticket, there ain't no coming back. The wheels keep doesn't fail. He's standing in the engine, horns against the smoke, wearing the conductor's cap like it's some kind of joke, checking off the manifest written in the red, counting up the living and sorting out the dead. He tips his hat to the ladies with a smile sharp and thin. All aboard the nightmare, let the punishment begin. Inside the velvet cabins, the silhouettes behave, ordering a drink before they reach the grave. The cemetery gates are open, the tombs are rattling loose. You lived a life of freedom, now you're fitting in the news. Can you hear the pistons pumping? It sounds like a dying heart. The firebox is hungry, tearing the night apart. The steam is smelling sulfurous, the heat begins to roll. No conductor with a pocket watch, no man with a human soul. Just a shadow in the engine cab, losing all control, driving this locomotive into a burning hole. Oh, catch the undead train, rolling down the line, leaves the living world behind, leaves it on a dime, carrying the wicked down to the burning deep, bringing up the demons while the city's sound asleep. Wheels of grinding sparks that set the weeds aflame. Every single passenger has forgot their given name. One-way ticket, baby, on a